Hi, it's Dan from Town Equipment, and today I'm going to show you how to operate the pressure washer. So before you operate this, you're going to need safety glasses, safety shoes, and ear protection, because as you can see, it's not a regular pressure washer. It is a 3500 PSI pressure washer, which can probably hurt your toes if you wear sandals while you're doing this. So first you're gonna need to hook up the water. So when you get the machine, you're gonna get 50 feet of water hose, which you just screw in and then screw into your house water outlet. And then you're gonna put in your pressure hose that's connected to the wand, and it's just a quick attach coupler, which you peel this back to push it in, and it pops into place. Right here you have your pressure setting. You're not going to really need to touch that because it's pretty much preset, but if you're not getting enough pressure or too much pressure, you can certainly reduce it or increase it if you want to. Then you're going to select which type of nozzle you want. It's going to arrive with the 25-degree nozzle because it's the most common, but if you need to get a little more aggressive, we have a 15-degree and a 0-degree. So now we're going to start it. So when you're starting it, make sure the water is running into it, because you can burn out and damage the pump if you try and start it dry. So the first thing we're going to do is take the wand and relieve the pressure. If you have pressure, it'll be difficult to start. Some people like to actually keep it running while they start it. I like to just relieve the pressure. The next thing you're going to do is turn it on. It's a Honda engine, so you don't need to do much to start it. It's very simple. Give it a full choke to start. If it's warm, you shouldn't need a full choke. Make sure that the fuel lever is on, in the on position. Here is the throttle lever. You give it a bit of throttle to start, and then once it's running, you'll give it more throttle to get more power. So now we're going to start it. I always like to put my foot against the wheel here, because it is a little lighter and it requires some pressure to pull. So give it a quick tug. I'm going to back off the choke. And I'm going to relieve some more pressure. If it's hard to pull, relieve more pressure. So always idle it down before you turn it off, and always beware that the muffler is hot. Don't put your hand close to it or on it. This is the fuel, and you fill the fuel here. It will arrive full, and when you refill it, fill it up please with 91 octane. No ethanol in the straight fuel, please. Thank you, Town Equipment.